Celestial sphere. This is an imaginary sphere which contains all heavenly bodies, also called as celestial bodies. The celestial sphere is concentric with the Earth. That means center of celestial sphere and center of Earth is the same. Due to the vast distances between celestial bodies, a celestial sphere can be considered of infinite radius. All celestial bodies appears to be projected inside the celestial sphere. So what's a great circle? It is a circle on the surface of a sphere whose plane passes through the center of the sphere. If we cut this sphere through that plane, that means the center plane, we get two equal parts. So let's see how that happens. If this is your Earth, center of Earth, and you are cutting or having a plane through the center of Earth, what if we cut through this plane? We get two halves, and these two halves are equal. Also, in the case of Earth's equator is a great circle, and your longitude or meridian is a semi-great circle. Next thing, let's see what's a small circle. When plane doesn't pass through the center of the sphere, then it is a small circle. That means it doesn't divide your sphere into two equal halves. It divides it into two unequal parts. So let's see if this is our circle or the Earth, and it being center. If we have a plane that is not passing through the center, so if we cut it through that plane, what we get will be two unequal halves, like this. All parallels of latitudes or parallel of declination are small circles. Tilt of Earth axis. Earth's angle of rotation makes an angle of about 23.5 degrees from vertical. The vertical is defined as which is 90 degrees away from plane of ecliptic. So let's see if this is our Earth and this being equator, this being your vertical, your axis of rotation is 23.5 degrees away from your vertical. So this will be the axis along which your Earth will be rotating around the Sun in your Earth's orbit. Equinoctial. It is a great circle on the celestial sphere which is 90 degrees away from the celestial poles. Equinoctial is the projection of equator on the celestial sphere, hence it is called as celestial equator. Celestial poles. The Earth's axis when projected on the celestial sphere will meet at celestial poles. The point above North Pole is called North Celestial Pole. The point below South Pole is called South Celestial Pole. Declination of a heavenly body. It is the angle at the center of Earth or arc of celestial meridian contained between the equinoctial and parallel of declination passing through the heavenly body. It is named north or south of equinoctial. Celestial meridian. These are the projections of meridians on the celestial sphere. These are semi-great circles connecting both celestial poles. Celestial meridians intersect the equinoctial and parallels of declination at 90 degrees. To avoid unwanted confusions with Earth-centric system, we introduced a new system called observer-centric system, in which observer being at the center, all observations are made with respect to the observer. Zenith of the observer. This can be defined as a point on celestial sphere right above the observer. A line from the center of the Earth passing through the observer will meet celestial sphere at zenith. Nadir of observer. This can be defined as a point on celestial sphere which is diametrically opposite to observer's zenith. Vertical circle. This can be defined as a great circle which passes through observer's zenith and observer's nadir as well. Observer's rational horizon. It is the great circle on the celestial sphere which is 90 degrees away from the observer's zenith and of course observer's nadir as well. Rational horizon passes through center of Earth or celestial sphere. All vertical circles will make an angle of 90 degrees when crossing rational horizon. Visible horizon. Limit of area around the observer which is under direct line of sight of observer This is the function of height of eye of observer. Sensible horizon. This is the small circle on celestial sphere whose plane is parallel to the rational horizon and passes through the observer's eye level.